Right, so let's go over a few points that we have to oil on a regular basis. Daily, maybe a few times a day, we need to oil the sewing up with a runny oil. We need to do this because the bobbin is constantly going round and round and we need to keep it lubricated. The next thing is, we're up here, we need to oil there. And then we go, move the head over to the other side. The same on the other side, we'll put a little blob in there. We've also got where there are the little red holes, put a little blob. And then we've got a little oil well here, reserve, we'll put a bit in there. Always make sure that that feels nice and oiled. Don't let that dry out. So when you're oiling your colour change at the back, this is an old tub that I've got, and it's a brownie colour, but I think you will have a white coloured one. It's just the same, but it's white. So there we go. So if you go to the back of the head, you can see here there are some little felt pads. So every now and again, just give, every so often, a little squirt. That's not something that you need to do on a daily basis. Depending on how much work you do, it could be weekly, could be monthly, but just get your finger in and see if it's nice and greasy. So as you've seen, we've just done the oiling bits that is a regular maintenance thing that needs to be done, and you've seen that it only takes a matter of minutes. In fact, not even minutes. It is so quick, but it is so important to make sure, especially this sewing hook, is oiled regularly. Also, where the bobbin lives, try and keep it clean. So if we take the bobbin out, the bobbin case, and just give it either a little brush, just around, just to try and keep it clean. Because if you're doing things like fleeces, towels, dressing gowns, it can get quite fluffy in there, and that can cause problems with your embroidery. So just keep it nice and clean, nicely oiled, and you'll be fine.